project for our unicorn theme month this summer is an adorable frame that you can paint. This is a great project for little girls' parties or just a summer project, but really cute being that unicorns are the thing this summer. I used chalky finish paint. It's a spray paint. You could use a brush on, but this spray paint makes things go really, really fast and it dries quickly and has a really nice coverage. So I took the glass out of the frame and I just spray painted it very quickly. The next step that I did with this frame was I took this Glitterific glitter and spread it all over the frame. Now you can do a really thick coat. I just did one coat, and the great thing about this Glitterific glitter paint is it's all different size chunky glitters, and it just really makes very interesting shapes and really shiny. So who doesn't love glitter? I'm not going to do that on this one, but know that that's the next step that I did do. All right, then I took a piece of fun foam. We are taking the glitter fun foam and going to make the cone shape right here for the unicorn horn. And I make a triangle and then like a semicircle at the bottom. Then what we'll do is roll it like a cone. And this makes a really good horn. This is actually how I set it flat. I set it up like this, and then I cut just about a 1/4 inch, 2 little slits on the sides. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, but what this allows it to do is that's where I'll be able to glue it on, and it lets it sit flat. So, little snips. Great. I'm going to add a little glue to where I just snipped it a little, and it'll lay flat. Next, let's work on the ears. You guys can see where it's laying flat right there. Okay, so that's my little trick. Next, I'm going to take the ears, cut a piece of pink felt, hot glue. Again, you can use tacky glue if you're working with kids, or even glue dots. I'm going to cut another piece just slightly smaller. I usually cut the pink first, then it's easy to lay on a white piece of paper and you just cut a little bit bigger. These worked out really nice. This time I'm using glitter paper rather than Foamies. Glitter paper as the back, as the white portion, and then felt, pink felt. And now we will hot glue the ears on the back. Like this. And then the other one off to the side over here. Hot glue makes it so fast and easy. Okay. So cute. Now, I'm just gonna do a big flower on here. And again, you can use, pick flowers for that, from bushes that we sell here, and that way you can make a bunch of different frames. All right. A couple little flowers on the edge. And maybe a couple over here, alternating the colors. This just gives your unicorn a cute little flower crown. I'm gonna do one more just to make it extra special. All right. And there we have it. So here, some quick and easy ways to make a simple, very simple unicorn frame.